Srimati Bhaktivedanta Swami Namaste. Namaste Saraswati Devam Gauravani Pracharani Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Pastacharya.
So I thank you very much for your kind reception. It is necessary साक्षाद हरितेन समस्त शास्त्रे रुक्तस्तथा भावत एव सद्भिः किंतु प्रभो ज प्रिय एव तस्य वंदे गुरुश्री चरणारविंदम. This is the process, Vedic process, to receive the transcendental knowledge through the parampara system, and the reception or honor given to the spiritual master, it goes to Krishna. Spiritual master is the official collector, just like in government there is collector. He receives the money, taxes from the citizens, not for his personal use, but for the government. Similarly, this is the Vedic system to receive knowledge through the transparent medium, Guru, and to receive Guru means the honor goes to Krishna. This is necessary. This is not an artificial thing, but spiritually it is necessary. Therefore you hold Vyas Puja day. I am very glad to see that you are maintaining the temple standard as good as I saw when I left. That is my satisfaction. And keep this, situation, atmosphere, always, and follow the regulated principles, chant 16 rounds, he will remain always happy. Because although we are in Los Angeles, we have nothing to do with the material atmosphere of Los Angeles. Therefore a devotee who lives with Krishna or in Krishna consciousness, he does not live in the material world. He always lives in the spiritual world. That is confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita. Mancha Bhavicharini Bhakti Yogena Ja Sevat. Anyone who is engaged in Bhakti Yoga with Krishna, Sagunan Samati Tayitan Brahma Bhuvaya Kalpa. Such person is always above these material modes of nature. Our difficulty, our miserable condition of life is due to being under the material laws of nature. So, it is very simple method, and you are all intelligent boys and girls in the Western country. I am very happy that you have taken it seriously and continue this. You will never be unhappy, and not only here, but also, as Krishna says, Manmana bhava madbhakta madhyaji maga namaskuro. If you simply practice these four principles, always think of Krishna, Manmana, or become Krishna's devotees and offer Krishna obeisances and worship Krishna. These four. We are teaching these four principles in the temple. How to worship Krishna, how to serve Krishna, how to become Krishna's devotee, and how to think of Krishna 24 hours. And if you do this, there is guarantee. Krishna says, Mameva Aishasi Asangsaya, without any doubt. You'll go back to home, back to Godhead. So do not be slackened And it is not difficult. Susukham kartum abhyam. This devotional service is so nice. It is, to execute the devotional is also very pleasing. Susukham kartum abhyam. And whatever you do, that is your permanent asset. It will never be lost. In the material world, suppose you have got some money, so that is not permanent. But anything material possession, that is not permanent. Especially after death, everything is finished. Another new chapter that we do not know. But devotional service, it is guaranteed. It is permanent asset. Even you cannot finish in this life. But that does not mean you should be neglectful. Try to finish completely to become Krishna conscious in this life. Do not keep in abeyance. That is not intelligence. But even if it is not finished, then the next life, a human life, is guaranteed. And you begin again where you ended. These are the Shastri. So, execute this devotional service very sincerely, seriously. Even there is little inconvenience, tolerate it. So there is no inconvenience. But if you think it is inconvenience, that is our mental concoction, still you should not be neglectful in the discharging your duties in devotional service. So those who are engaged in deity worship, those who are engaged in Sankirtan party, those who are engaged in distributing books, those who are engaged in the office for keeping accounts, and all of them in devotional service. Not a single moment waste. Kirtaniya sadhari. And whenever you have got time, read books. Now you have got volumes of books. Again we have got another 5 volumes of books, are now immediately published. So you have got enough to study. And those who are grihasthas, children, we have got our Dallas. As soon as the children is fit, 3 to 4 years, can send to Dallas. They are taking very much care. And if your children are educated, Sanskrit and English, and reads all our books, is more than any university MA PhD. It's more than. The MA PhD of the ordinary university will not be able to be compared with them. So rest assured that education, culture, happiness, satisfaction, and next go to home, back to God. Thank you very much.